Hello everyone, welcome back to Grimm's Garage, and today on Recent Pickups, we've got two new Hot Wheel mainlines, one special edition Matchbox. We got the whole set of the new truck sideline series from Hot Wheels, one monster truck, which honestly I bought just for the Crush van, and one M2, which we're going to start off on. We're going to get this guy open real quick and get to our Mattel. This is a Dodge A100 panel van, 1964. Ooh. Case came right off. That was the first time that happened to me on an M2. The 65 Ram Chargers logo on here. Right, here we are. Ram Charger 65 anniversary. Candy Manic Race Crew. Nice little details as usual. Gonna love adding this to my little van collection. Gorgeous. Please like and subscribe. It'll help out tremendously to bring you more quality content. In fact, let's straighten this out a little bit. There we go. Now, Hot Wheel mainlines. I've got a Dragon Wagon. Yeah, it's fantasy, but I don't know. Got the red one. I wanted to check it out. I figured might as well grab this one as well. Dragon Wagon. May be wrong, but I believe this is only the second edition so far. Also from the latest case, 73 Honda Civic Custom. I did get this one and feature it before, but I didn't get to open it because the one I had a huge scratch on the hood. And I'd found two others since then, so 3 total with a scratch on the hood before I was able to find a decent one. And I don't know about other people, but I'm assuming this is going to be a hot model. It's brand new. They're cool colors. This is beautiful casting. Nice details. I personally love the brilliant neon green with black. I don't know why. Gray rims is a nice accessory. This is just totally cool. Awesome. Alright, let's do the monster truck. As stated before, Skeleton Crew. Didn't buy it for the truck, bought it for the Crust van. Blindsided, I believe it's called. Yes, Blindsided. And if anybody local to me has that, I need that flat iron. I don't care if it's the whole set with the logo punk or not. Initially, I just want that green flat iron. Gotta get my hands on that guy. Here's our Skeleton Crew. Which I may be wrong, it seems like the basic Bigfoot casting, just unique artwork. I gotta say that artwork looks pretty cool. Very pirate-like. There go my pile of tradable cars. While I get my hot pink Blindsided. I think this is my third one. fun casting. I'm a big van collector. It's cool having these crushed vans as well. You know what? No. Matchbox. Let's get this Matchbox out of the way. 70 years special edition series. Now, they're on standard cards. I had access to this whole series. Unfortunately, I was only interested in this one. Got a runway in the background there. So here we are, the Dodge Ram ambulance, which this series they number and label on the back left, top left of the card. Just keeping the face of these cards beautiful. Like I said, they're on standard size cards, but they're like $5-ish, $4 or $5, because essentially these are moving part series vehicles placed on standard size cars and given beautiful orange with black and silver features for the 70th anniversary. Really liking this Dodge ambulance. What do we got here? Plastic doors, metal doors. Well, okay. Those are metal doors. A little hard to see here on camera because it's a fully black interior, but it is a fully detailed interior, gurney and equipment, etc. But yeah, nice to have metal doors. The last couple moving part vehicles I've opened, the moving part was a door, but it was a plastic door. So it was a little disappointing. This, beautiful. Lovely addition. Sure that's a J-Spawn essential. Now, we've got this new Hot Wheel truck set. All 5. I'll be honest with you, I don't even know what they're calling it. But I was there for the case opening. Highly intrigued, so we're going to open them all. Here they are, in order, 1 to 5, and we're going to start from 5 up because number 1's the best. Save the best for last. Here's a Toyota off-road truck. I think I've got 1 or 2 of these. One of them is definitely a premium. This one I would call it Dr. Pepper finish. Loving the colors. Very retro. Gorgeous. Number 4. Yes. 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Which, although I hate the monster trucks, this looks sick. This looks sick as a monster truck. I think I've seen something similar. This one is sparkle blue, red stripes. Very beautiful. Number 3 of 5, 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor, which is honestly probably my least favorite in this group, just because it's such a new basic truck. But looked cool enough anyway. I was getting the rest of the set, so I wasn't leaving her behind. Beautiful colors and casting anyway. Love how they keep coming up with these unique ways of tempoing headlights and taillights. Number 2, custom Ford Bronco, which is my second favorite of this group. I think they numbered these almost perfectly for me. Sparkle, light purple, violet, sparkle violet. Number 23. Very cool casting. All right. And last but not least for today, the Chevy Blazer 4x4, which I got to dig out the older ones because I swear this is a nod to an old one. These colors are very specifically familiar to me. I swear they did this. Maybe the Tempo one was a little more classic, but the same color, same stripe, same interior. I think it's almost the same other than the tires and the modern updates. I believe there's a classic one, and I've got to dig it out and compare. But this is beautiful. Highly loving this guy. Thank you for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. Please know you are all so appreciated. Thank you again, and I hope you all have a very good night.